Network Essentials, Tuesday, D29, week 15. 3 more days left after today. I sent out some information on the cybersecurity, so we took care of that. Today we looked at the OSI model, compared routers and switches, and then we did quite a bit of work on console and VTY lines on the routers and switches. Looked at connectivity. Thursday, right at the beginning of class, we'll take it's 25 questions exam, chapter exam, and that is from those questions are taken from the quizzes. Tuesday, take the final, and Thursday we do the skills-based. And we also practice some skills-based things on Tuesday and wrap up a couple other things. So this coming Thursday, we're going to do this, we're going to look at some lab work, and we'll also go through some key items from the troubleshooting chapter. Okay, let's take, alright, the OSI model application presentation session. So up here we have some app. It gives us some data. The data at the presentation layer could be encrypted, okay, or not. We create a session. Oops. Create a session, whether it's TCP or UDP at the transport layer, and then here we take the data and we segment it and we encapsulate it then with port numbers. And then this information moves down. We segment it, we break it into parts. Okay, so if the data is huge, we take, like if the data is huge, we take it, we split it into manageable parts. Then we add the IP addressing, so then we call it a packet. So all of this information is in here, we get a packet, and then we take the packet, we take all of this information, put it in here, and add the MAC addresses, if it's Ethernet, and then we call it a frame, and then the bits are put on the medium. We talk a little bit about bits per second, bandwidth, and bytes transmitted. Right? The physical layer figures out how it's going to represent the bits on either the wire, the fiber, or in the air. And then here's our network. And what we did today is we configured VTY lines, console lines, enabled an enable password on our routers and our switches. We had, I think we had 3 of them working and 2 of them have some issues, so I'll take a look at those. Okay? And there's lots of information in the curriculum on how to do this. And so for the switches, these were the Ethernet ports in the router. So in the switch, we used, for example, 172 dot, this case, 172 dot, whatever the prefix is, dot whatever used dot 2. Okay, and that's it for today. A couple things I wanted to do. Let me just add a page here. A couple things. There's we have the packet tracer skills. that students need to do. You can take it like up to 40 times. And then if you run into some issues, make sure you submit, and then you can always take it again, or make sure you click resume later on. Okay, so they allow 2 hours to do that. There is a practice final. Students should take. It'd be nice to take it before Thursday, but if they can't, you can take it. The actual final is Tuesday, so you want to do that, and then you finish up chapters 8 and 9. Make sure you do the quiz in those. That's it.